The last one you're going to look at is the NOT operator. Okay, the NOT operator. Now, for our Python, okay, I don't know most of you have done. Half of you have done Python, half of you have done Python. So, but let's just continue. If and says condition one, okay, and must be true, then condition two must be true for it to work. This is and, okay, and then or say either of the conditions. Okay, or is saying either of the condition. Condition one, okay, or what condition what two can be what true. Okay, condition one or condition two can be what true for it to work. Then not. Remember I said that not is doing the opposite of everything. If you give not one, not to turn it into what? Zero. Okay? So if I'm using not, I'm simply trying to say I want the inverse of this. Okay? I want the inverse of this. So in our case, when I say where state not or this way, I think it's written this way, not state equals to New York. Okay? Where not state equals to New York, then what I'm simply saying is give me every place where New York or where the state is not what? New York. That's what I'm saying. So it will return values to me, excluding what? New York. So it turns New York into a blind spot where it will not see. Okay? It does turn New York into the blind spot where it will not see. So it will just give me values that does not what? Include New York. Okay? So let's go ahead and write it and see what it will look like. I hope you are following, because you guys are quite quiet. Okay. Now, for me to use the not, where not, okay. So the not comes first before what? The condition. Okay, the not comes first before the what? The condition. And the condition says state equals to what? New York. Okay, so I'll go ahead and execute this. What will happen is you return everything and I shouldn't find New York inside of it. Okay, as I can see, I can't really get New York inside of it. So that's the main idea. Okay, so that's the main idea of not. So you can combine this with not this and this. Okay, so you can do not and, you can do not or. So I'll allow you to see how the combination can go. Let's try 2 or 3 more examples before we call it a day. Select all from. Okay, so let's stop using customer. Let's use let's think we have staff. Yeah, I think staff has first name and last name as well, just like customers. Again, you can see the column names by opening up what? All these plus signs beside these icons here. Okay, it's very intuitive. That's how you can basically know what to do. Okay, look at these places and figure out, okay, what columns are available, what columns can I work with. All right, so Even if you don't know the name of the table, you can find the name of the table you want to work with here. So select all from the staff where um, first name not like, okay, first name not like, and maybe I'll go with percentage A. Okay, I don't know if it's in the instant A, but let's go with something like this. Okay. Let's know how many records you even have, self. Okay, so you actually have something submitted. So this is the whole record. You had 10 records, and then when you say first name not like A, which is not ending in A, some of the A ending names we are what omitted. So that is that. Okay, it now went from 5 from 10 to 5. Okay, went from 10 to 5 because we omitted some A names or names that ended in A. Okay. So this time around, I'll go back to products for the last one. Okay, so that is that. We're going to get where the list price does not fall between 900 and what 5,000. Okay. So let's see if it should give us the intended output. So everything that is between 900 and what 5,000 was omitted. So all I'm having here is our values less than 900 and values more than what 5,000. Okay. I probably made it 5,000 so that it will be very, very inclusive, so that we have a lot of deductions. You know that most of the values will fall within that range. So you have something very, very minimal. Okay. So that's that.